Dr. Fatboy.
Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Fatboy. I know I've been missing for the last couple of weeks. Last couple of weeks, the situation seems to have changed with respect to public health. So this week I'm doing something different. I want to re-emphasize on something which everybody knew a year back, but somehow many people seem to have forgotten over the last couple of months. I want to just reinforce mask etiquette. How to wear a mask, how to remove it, and how to dispose of it. So I've got 3 masks with me. I've got an N95 with the back straps. I've got a cloth mask which goes with looping around the ears. And I've got a disposable mask as well with side ear loops. So let's start with N95. This is the most important mask. When you're putting it on, take your straps. First, hold both straps in your hand. Hold it over your chin. And just over your head. Make sure the bottom strap is flat and below the ear. The top strap is above your ear. And if you're wearing glasses, it can go over the glasses as well. Not a big issue. If you think that's uncomfortable, take off your glasses. Adjust this. Pinch it at the nose. Try blowing. Do you feel any air? You shouldn't be able to feel any air coming out. And then put on your glasses. Once this is done properly, you probably there should be no fogging of glasses. So now when you are wearing this mask, ideally you should not remove this mask anytime except when you are back home, or if you need to remove it in between, like maybe you want to take a drink of water, or maybe have a coffee or something. Ideal way to remove this is take hold of the top, pull it down. That's it. Have your drink of water, and when you need to put it back on, hold the straps, pull back. That's it. No pulling your mask like this. That's just stupid. As much as possible, avoid touching anything on the surface. And if you do, unfortunately, end up touching, scratching your nose, having to adjust it once more, wash it with sanitizer once more, immediately. So taking it off, it's again simple. Hold your bottom straps, pull it, and then lift it. That's simple. Done. This mask can be reused. Ideally, it should be reused only once in 4 days or once in 5 days. So if you're going to hang it somewhere, use the strap, hang it up, preferably in a well-ventilated area, probably in a balcony or outside the house. Or if you can't, put it inside the paper cover and keep it out. And you can take it after 5 days and then reuse it. So this is how to use an N95 mask. This is a 3M mask which I have used now. Pretty much the same for all N95. Unless of course it's a side strap, the ear loop mask. In which case I just show you with this cloth mask. So when you're wearing a cloth mask, make sure, again, it has to cover your nose and your chin. Pull it behind your ears. Unfortunately, cloth masks don't have your chin pads, so you're not adjustable on the chin, which is unfortunate because there will be a lot of fogging, especially when you're wearing glasses, and there will be leakage as well. This place is not at all closed off. This is rather unfortunate side effect of cloth masks, and cloth masks are not as effective as disposable or your N95 mask. It should have a dense weave, that is, if you hold it up to light like this, you should not be able to see anything behind it. If you are, the weave is not good. So when you are wearing this, again, make sure nose is covered, chin is covered. And if you need to remove in between to take a drink of water, hold one of the loops, let it down there, drink water, hold the loop again, pull it up. And as soon as you adjust it, wash your hands. Always remember, keep washing your hands. So again, this, when you remove both loops, take it off. Now this cannot be reused without washing. So once you use it for 1 day, put it for wash, take it out, and then you can reuse it once it's been dried out. So when it comes to disposable masks, most of the disposable masks come with side loops, ear loops. So here, make sure when you're wearing a disposable mask, look for the where is the hard piece. There'll be a metal piece on top. So this one has a metal piece which is malleable. Make sure that is on top. And the lighter side, so this is the lighter side, darker side. The lighter side should always be on the inside facing towards you. This one is a little more fancy. It has a foldable loops which is made of paper, not the usual loop. So put this on. Again, same as any ear loop mask. Put this on, pull it down, and this can again be adjusted. Make sure it is fully adjusted, covering your nose and chin. And this, once if you press it down, you should not have any air leak. It does not provide as good a seal as your N95 mask, but it is pretty effective, and it is always disposable. If you use it for one day, throw it away. Do not leaving to hang and use it again. An ideal way to use these two is in combination. Put a disposable mask inside and use a cloth mask, well-fitting cloth mask on the outside. Don't use the ones which are too small for you or too big for you. If you feel they are too big for you, so when I do this, what happens is I have pretty good seal all around. This is sealed because I use the nose bridge adjuster, and because of the cloth mask, the sides are also sealed. And thankfully this is well fitting for me. If it was a little loose, what I would suggest is take this, make a knot, small knot here. You can probably do it yourself. If it is big for you, I probably won't be able to use it after I put the knot because it's side of the correct size for me. So put this knot, and now it's tight. Now it's too tight for me. It's not fitting anywhere. It's just too tight, so I probably can't use it. Anyway, so when removing this, again, hold the earlobes. If you want to take it temporarily off, let it hang from one side, have a drink of water, put it back on. If you're going to remove it and then reuse it, I mean you're going to a restaurant and you want to remove it for some time, take it off, let it hang somewhere, or you could just fold it in the reverse direction, as in the inside should be outside. Fold it in a reverse direction, you can put it in a pocket, or if you have a paper cover or plastic cover with you, ideal, carry it if possible, put it inside and keep it. And when you're leaving, take it out, fold it out, make sure you're wearing it the right side in, put it on. Simple. Remember, masks are necessary. Doesn't matter if you're vaccinated or not, you can still get the infection, as you are seeing so many more reports recently. Vaccines do not prevent infection, they only decrease the risks of severe disease and death. So unless you like to be at home isolated for 14 days, which I think many people would actually prefer, go ahead, don't wear a mask. But unfortunately, you're just taking a gamble on the life of yourself and those living with you. So please wear a mask properly and stay safe. Bye guys.